Dito si Peter Jun Simon. More often though, it's for the better. Especially what he's doing right now. Knocking out a three-pointer early. Now a free throw for his fourth point. Well, I'm realizing what Coach Ryan is doing right now. He's going to his bench with Jordan Salvador and Chico Lanete. Babalik sa hardcourt. He's realizing na pagdating sa bench, mas malalim ang kanyang kupunan dito. So, kung paguran ng laban, mas marami siyang magagamit dito. At talagang pinapainit niya lahat in every opportunity, especially now that they're on top by 8 points.
Another 8 minutes to go in the second period. Dunsil to Rayback. Rayback fakes. Pinalik kay Dunsil. Dunsil on the move. Outside Penisi. Good setup job. But Penisi can't convert. Kapikan ng bola. It ends up with Villanueva. Here's Lanete. Over to Villanueva. On the move. Outside. Lanete for 3. And Rayback clears the rebound. Takbo tayo sa kabilang panig. Here comes Adriano. Adriano goes to Rayback. Rayback can't pull the trigger. Handoff once again to Dunsil. Dunsil inside and he's called for an offensive foul.
Oh, sayang na pagkakataon yun. But again, being distracted by the sticky defense of the big men of Philpotts as we see in this play. James Shop not surrendering there.
At timeout muna tayo rito. Sayang yung ginawa ni Jojo Dunsil.